Namaskar and Jai Hind. I am Commander Ashok Raut. I am National President for EPS 95 National Agitation Committee. I would like to share few things with all my pensioner, EPS 95 pensioner brothers and sisters. First of all, you all know our organization is very effective and working throughout the country in 27 states on district levels. Our demands are still not fulfilled, but on 20th March 2020, we met the Honorable Prime Minister along with Honorable Hema Malini ji, and the Prime Minister himself promised us to do the justice to us as soon as possible. Unfortunately, country had gone through many problems since then. There are many big decisions taken by this government during this time, and also there is COVID going on. Therefore, probably our decision on this subject is delayed. Please don't get disappointed. Be patient. When the highest leader in the country had promised us, it will be definitely done. I am damn sure about it. I am very sure about it. It will be done sooner or later, or rather sooner. One more thing I would like to bring to your notice and tell my views on it. As the success is nearing, there are a lot of leaders coming up who has never participated in any agitation, who has never even shown their face to us. But they are claiming now that as they are leaders of pensioners. I don't mind their claims. But what they are doing in turn is they are looking for their political vendetta or that kind of a thing. There are few leaders who are making some videos and abusing the highest leadership in the country on the name of EPS, which is definitely not supposed to be done. EPS 95 National Agitation Committee never supports this and will never support this type of acts. We are people with manners, good manners. We are senior citizens, and on our name, if somebody is doing all this nonsense, that should be cut short. There is some political small party, some Indian something, United Indian or something, and they are coming and abusing the highest leadership which has come to my notice. I want to make it clear that these people have nothing to do with the National Agitation Committee, and they are nowhere related to us. By doing so, they might be, expressing their political whatever lineage or whatever kind of ideology, but that is not here. We are not political people. We are social organization. We all are working as a social organization. Our organization is based on sacrifice, not on selfishness. That has to be very clear. We are asking any money. There are many people who are asking money on the name of court and fill up this form, fill up that form. I repeat it, please do not give any money to any such people. NAC doesn't ask you any money. It is a social organization. This organization is based on sacrifice, tyag, qurbani. As far as our demands approval or accepting our demands, I am very sure that it will be done. This government is doing great job on every field. They will do our job also, and it is promised by the Prime Minister himself, and I can assure you, I am very sure about it. Modi ji hai to mumkin hai. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.